Question number 5. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. It circumscribes the circle with center T. Now circumscribe the circle means what? The quadrilateral is in the exterior of the circle and each side touches the circle. Okay. Point E, F, G, H are tangent points. Point E, F, G, H are tangent points. If AE equal to 4.5, AE equal to 4.5 and EB equal to 5.5, then find AD. We have to find out length AD. Follow the question. Okay. So let us start solution. Sides of quadrilateral ABCD are tangents of a circle with center P. Therefore, AE and H are the tangents drawn from external point. So, by tangent segment theorem, AE is equal to H. So, AH also 4.5. Okay. AE equal to AH is equal to 4.5. Similarly here, BE and BF are the tangent segments drawn from external point B. So they are also equal in length. BE equal to BF. So if BE is equal to 5.5, BF is also 5.5. BE equal to BF equal to 5.5. Let see the next tangent segments are CG and CF. So they are also equal. CG equal to CF. Let me assume its length is X. Okay. And DG equal to DH. DG equal to DH. That we assume Y. DG equal to DH. This we assume Y. And for all these statements, write the common reason. Tangent, segment, theorem. Okay. Now, we can find length of side AB. AB equal to AE plus EB. AE plus EB. Reason we can write between is A dash, E dash, B. Therefore, AB is equal to 4.5 plus 5.5. Therefore, AB equal to 4.5 plus 5.5, 10. So, side AB we got 10. Now, similarly, we can find out length of each side. Similarly, BC equal to, now from figure you can tell me BC equal to how much? X plus 5.5 or 5.5 plus x. Anyway you can write x plus 5.5. DC equal to x plus y. DC equal to x plus y. AD equal to y plus 4.5. AD equal to y plus 4.5. Up to this understood? We got length of each side of the quadrilateral. Now as we know that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So we know the property of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal in length. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram so first pair of opposite side is AB equal to DC. Therefore, AB equal to DC. Reason, opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay. Now AB how much we got? 10. Therefore, 10 equal to DC equal to x plus y. So we got here simple linear equations in two variables. So write it in proper way. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 10. This is our equation number 1. Followed? Now take next pair of opposite side. AD is equal to BC or BC is equal to AD. Opposite sides of parallelogram. So BC how much? BC is equal to x plus 5.5. X plus 5.5 and AD equal to y plus 4.5. Now convert these linear equations into variable in standard form. So take y on left side, 5.5 on right side. X minus y is equal to 4.5 minus 5.5. So x minus y is equal to, here the subtraction is minus 1. See x plus y equal to 10, this is our first equation. X minus y equal to minus 1, this is our second equation. We want to find out length of side AD. So if we want to find AD, which variable value we want? Y. So to get the value of y, we have to do subtraction here. Because if you add here, y gets cancelled and you will get x. Again by substitution you have to find out y. So instead of that, we will subtract the equation so we can directly get the value of y. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So equation 1 is x plus y equal to 10 and second equation is x minus y equal to minus 1. So we have to do subtraction. So these signs will change for second equation, minus plus plus. So here x plus x minus x gets cancelled and y plus y, 2y. 10 plus 1, 11. Therefore, y is equal to 11 upon 2. Therefore, y is equal to 5.5. And now we can find out AD. Therefore, AD is equal to y plus 4.5. Therefore, AD is equal to 5.5 plus 4.5. Therefore, AD is equal to 11. Sorry, AD is equal to 10. Understood how we solved?